All right, y'all. It's that time of year. You know, days are longer. Kids are doing activities in the evenings. We can get out and do things in the yard. We need meals that are quick and easy and don't take a whole lot of prep time. And this is one for you. Super easy crock pot street tacos. It's real flavorful. Very few ingredients. Just a few normal common ones you have in the house, So let's get the crock pot fired up and we'll get to cooking. Show you how to make these. All right, y'all. This is like a super simple, easy recipe. Uh, we're gonna start out. I got a little over 2 pounds, about 2.25 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And if you're using these, check them for bone. I have found chunks of bone in them just from the boning process. Uh, you don't want to bite into a chunk of bone, so start them out. Just gonna go through them like I said, and any excess fat if you want, pull it off. I leave mine on. It's more flavor, so get those all in there. Just layer them up in there. Nothing real special. Okay, get that. Now you can use chicken breast if that's what you prefer. Me, in recipes like this, I'll use the thighs because they cook up just as good as the chicken breast, and you know, you're gonna shred it anyway. So, okay, get rid of that. Now we've got 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and chili powder. So get that all kind of mixed together here. And then just sprinkle that over your chicken. Okay, get all that goodness in there. And then we got 1 4-ounce can of green chilies. And these are fire roasted, peeled, and diced. So dump those in there. Get all the goodness out of the can there. Alright. Now, the last thing is I got a 16-ounce jar of, I like the thick and chunky medium salsa. But if you like a little spicier, you can do the hot. Same thing with the chilies. You can get the hot ones. Just dump all that in there. Get all the goodness out of there. And we'll cover it. Throw it on the, throw it in the warmer, whatever you want to call it, the crock pot. Turn it on low. Let her cook for 6-8 hours till you can fork shred the chicken. So we're gonna get that done and we'll bring you back a little bit later. Alright, y'all, it's been about 3 hours, so let's give this thing a little check here. Huh? Looks like it's cooking up good. Chicken's chicken's starting to get done, so I'm gonna kind of knock that down in there just a little bit. So alright, well, we're gonna let her keep on cooking. So alright, we'll bring you all back in just a little bit. Alright, y'all, it's been a couple more hours, so let's give these things a little poke and see what's going on here. Ooh, oh yeah, that chicken's, yeah, she's falling apart nicely. Look at that. Oh yeah, she's shredding nice. We're gonna go ahead and just smoosh it up. We're gonna let her cook for about another hour or so. Make sure it gets, all that flavor gets all the way through all that chicken. You know, if you wanted, you could eat it right now. But like I said, I wanna kind of smoosh it up here and make it some little pieces. Get it all mixed together. Just for the flavors all mingle and I want the flavor all the way through over everything. So, oh yeah, it's smelling, looking delicious. No need for a fork to shred these. Alright. Give her a little stir action there. Oh yeah. Alright. I said I'm going to throw the lid back on it. Let it cook for, oh, maybe another hour or so. I'm not ready to eat supper yet, so it won't hurt anything for it to continue on cooking. So let's let her cook. Alright, y'all. This is done. I made up a little bit of Spanish rice because I like a little bit of rice in mine. We got some sour cream and some fresh cilantro. So let's get some of this out of here. Kind of get it drained off here so it's not all drippy, spilly on us. Put a little bit of the meat in each one of our taco. We're doing soft tacos today. So, and a little piece of this. A little bit more. Alright, there we go with that. We're going to put a little bit of the rice in here. And just a little dollop of sour cream. Yes, I'm using my fingers. Now normally I would just dump my rice in my crock pot there, let it all cook together, but we're being organized or regular today, so a little bit of that cilantro, a little bit more on that one. So alright, there we go, street tacos. So let's get turned around here and we'll do the taste test. Alright, y'all, got our street tacos here, looking pretty dang good. So let's try one. So pretty looking good. Y'all, that's super flavorful. All them flavors, the Spanish rice, the salsa, all that. Mwah. That is awesome. Tastes really, really good. Green chilies add a nice little zing to it, so it's awesome. I highly recommend it. Y'all need to try it. It's an easy meal. Throw it in a crock pot, let it cook all day. Come home from hard days at work, or busy, doing stuff with the kids or whatever. Y'all can have, street tacos real quick and easy. So there you have it. Easy street tacos. Gotta love it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. New to the channel, please hit the bell thing there. Ring it so you get all the notifications, everything we're cooking, we're building, we're pulling. So love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.